All right, guys, the time has come. We're back on site, and it's a decent morning. It's a little hazy out. It's a little bit, you know, it's not as nice as it was yesterday, but there's not much breeze, and we're gonna finally tear off this red steel, which is brand new, and it looks super good, but we're gonna be putting a different color up. So we've been talking about that, and it's finally gonna happen. We got this porch detail done yesterday. I'm still waiting on some zip sheeting for the roof structure. You probably remember all that snow coming off the roof. If somebody would have been underneath that, it would have been bad news. And if this roof was on here without any structure underneath of it, you can crush ribs or put dents in steel. So it's always a good idea if you've got a lot of snow that could potentially come off of an upper roof onto a lower roof, you got to think about two things. Either putting snow bars up there to hold that snow from coming down on your roof, or you can add that level of protection, which in our case is going to be that zip sheeting, and that's going to help with any potential snow load coming off the upper roof onto the lower roof. Might not get a full day in, and I really want to concentrate on getting that steel removed and replaced, because I don't like leaving the house wrap just open to the world. This here, you can see the damage that was done because of the wind. I'll have to replace that, and just, you know, everything's kind of, that's the beauty of being a contractor out on a job site. Things don't always go perfectly smooth. Sometimes you run into hiccups. Today our hiccup is I'm waiting on this darn sheeting to show up to finish that. I just got a call from my supplier saying they're short trucks, and they're gonna try to get it to me if it works out. If not, I don't know, kind of is what it is, but really puts a wrench in the plan. So I'm gonna get to it. Thanks for hanging around, guys, and definitely as you're watching the video, if you like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can follow along for the rest of the series. Maybe check out some of the Tools Day videos we've been doing. Obviously, there's quite a few build series. If you go back in the channel and check them out, maybe you'll learn something or come up with a question that you got for me. So let's get into this work. Probably didn't know I was an excavator in my past life. Got her nice and packed down, cleaned up all the slop. Hopefully the lift runs back here, no problem. I don't think we're gonna get any drying today from the sun. It's gonna be cloudy all day and more rain's coming. So I really just wanted to take care of those monster ruts that were in there. Hopefully give us an opportunity to get back here and get this thing done. And I put mud, I splattered mud all over this thing. Ugh. All right, back to work. Because eventually here, I think we're going to have wind pushing these. Maybe.
Taking me to hold the bottom while you,
Okay. You can just walk it back.
Yeah.
Here, how about this, dude? No, you probably...
Yeah, I want to
just
hold...
grab the...
I hold mine like that, and then... You,
well, I'm good, dude. There. That was probably not the best way to do it, but... That's fine, you can put your foot there if you want.
Yeah, I want to put my foot there.
There.
That way it doesn't get all this mud.
Okay.
Follow you. I'll follow you into the dark.
Nice. Let's go. Well, good thing I went back into my bathroom and put deodorant on today. That wasn't gonna. You good?
That one sat weird on my...
I know, I saw it the whole time.
Instead of like on like my toes.
It was up on your...
Yeah, like on top of my foot. Oh man, that sounds cooking.
Dude, I'm gonna have to put my shorts on soon. I gotta say, pulling the steel off is almost as hard, if not harder, than taking it. Wait.
What?
You know what I'm saying. The awkwardness of trying to lay down a sheet versus stick it into a piece of wood like we did when we put this wall up, and just by the sheer, you know, push, get it up in the air. As it falls down, it wants to basically, as you're bringing it down, all that weight is so high and so far past your lever point, which is your body and your arms, that it wants to just fly out. So thankfully, you know, we just kind of two-personed it, two-manned it, teamworked, it made the dream work, and now we're gonna pull this double angle trim off so we can lay out the new steel, because that's a different color, and start running it. Zach is up there pulling our soffit channel, which is an F and a J. It accepts our side steel and our soffit panel at the same time. It's a really nice trim detail, and that way we can start running this steel back up. It's gorgeous out right now. The sun has come up, but it's brought a little breeze, so we got to keep working and stay ahead of it. Well, here we go. We're doing it again for the second time. I guess practice makes perfect. Maybe it'll be even better this time. Good enough for you, good enough for me. All right, I'm ready for lunch. This has been a lot of work this morning, taking all that old steel off. We've had to just do a lot of manual labor, and I am hungry. So we made it to the peak. We got half of this wall back up. Obviously have a lot of screwing to do on that steel still, but when we come back from lunch, we'll get the rest of this up and see what the weather has for us, because right now it's pretty darn nice out. Some just make millions, Greg. Others just make memes.
But some make millions making memes?
I didn't think this through, Greg.
Huh?
I didn't think this through.
Take it.
We got to do a little fix here on the house wrap.
Put on the house wrap. That's the only problem with running it like that after the house wrap.
Well, I think there's a lot of problems with it, but I like starting from the bottom.
And then get there.
This is a good look, I think, Greg.
I think so. I like it.
Yeah.
I'm trying to think of what other building I've seen like this color.
Zach! Would you do me a favor and grab the Makita or the Surge or something? Triple hammer is too fast. I don't like it for this. What?
Yeah, you do.
How long has that been there? No wonder it feels like I'm walking around 100 pounds. I don't even know I got drills hanging on me.
Yeah, drills hiding all sorts of different corners of that belt. You get forgetting the
Grandes?
Grandes.
Did you know these Grandes were actually developed and named after RR because they were so big? And
Were they really?
yeah, they can be bought online. There's no money will come to
you.
you.
Do you know where I can find them online? What's the link I can go to? Or a website I can go to?
I actually don't know, other than there's Diamondback. Like legit, I don't
Probably
know.
diamondbacktoolbelt.com
/Grande.
/Grande.
That's spelled with 2 R's. Well, I'm officially tired, ready to go home. We had, I would consider a productive day because we were finally able to get the red steel off and the white steel up, and then the brown burnished slate wainscot. So that's a big wall. Lots of work. We fought a little bit of wind. Met our goal of getting done here by the time we wanted to, so now we can head home. And I hope you guys enjoyed that. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for those notifications. Get on that notification squad. You know, you want to be the first one to leave a comment down below. And we'll see you guys on the next video. So thanks for your support.